Commissioner of Agriculture at the end of each fiscal year, the Warren County Soil and Water Conservation District will review the plan's action items and provide updates annually. And I would like to iterate at this time that the implementation of the Working Lands Protection Plan will not require additional staff. So at this time I will entertain any questions that you may have.
Any questions? Bill?
I do have one question. I don't know if Deborah will be able to answer it. I just got it this afternoon. I had a phone call. But I was told that the trust fund has no money in it right now as it stands.
I will have to defer that question to John.
I've got on the tie. Nobody's getting married. Nobody's getting buried. So I am going to say a few words.
Tell everybody who you are.
Jonathan Russell with the Soil and Water Office. I'll just jump right in, Commissioner Kennedy, if you'll let me. There was $400,000 set aside for the original 11 counties that are in the Bragg region to have a planned road. As far as money being available now, all that they had available for this past year has been allocated. I'm told, I did make a phone call to Raleigh, sometime in October.